Here's the video for the 2023 Lexus RZ 450e Premium all-wheel drive. This does include the Lexus Safety System 3.0. There is a charger in the trunk as well as a cargo net. The door handles are very unique. Panoramic glass roof, which does have dimming for nighttime. This also has a AC 120V outlet. The mirrors have power folding. The seats are going to be heated and ventilated. Compartment for sunglasses, digital rear view mirror, 14-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, very nice leatherette steering wheel that's heated. This also has paddle shifters, as well as heads-up display, memory seats, this car also has park assist and ambient lighting. Charge port.